Hey guys, what's up? So Apple adds ability for developers to sell iOS and Mac apps as a single purchase in the latest betas. So earlier today, Apple received the latest betas of iOS, iPad OS, and the Mac OS developers, and it's a minor update in the grand scheme of things. It does add one more important element. First, notice by 9 to 5 Mac, Apple's latest betas bring with the ability for developers to sell iOS, iPad OS, and the Mac apps as a single purchase. This makes it possible for unified purchase across iOS and Mac OS for developers. They're able to list their iPad app in the iOS App Store and the Mac version of the Mac App Store. The ability to bundle iOS and Mac OS apps to a single purchase made possible with the release of Xcode 11.4 beta update, which is also seen today. So basically, throughout the masses, it means that the customers who purchase iOS version or the Mac OS version, they'll have the option either to made available automatically as well. This will make it so customers don't have to buy the same app for the different platforms separately. So the fact that customers had to buy the same app twice was a growing point of the contention for the some developers, as we reported last year. But Apple was always was moving in this direction, especially with the project Catalyst, where customers can buy an iPad app and get the Mac version of the app at no additional cost. With the upcoming arrival of iOS 13.4, iPad OS 13.4, and Mac OS Catalina 10.15.4, it looks like Apple will finally reach that goal. So guys, basically that is the news for that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave this link down in the description for this article so you can check it out and read it for yourself. Read it really, really quick. But yeah, catch you next one. Peace.